guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add a green screen overlay on CapCut PC. So select your green screen, go to cutout. So if you're in basic, just select cutout, select chroma key, and select the green bit of the video and adjust the strength here. And I'm just going to like rotate it to see if I have everything covered. Then to add a background, I'm going to go to basic, canvas, and go to style, and you can choose from these backgrounds if this will just load. So the one that probably suits it, let's see which one I want to add for this video. Maybe something like this or that. So just add it to your, add the background, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, I would be glad if you comment on it, just give me some feedback on it. But that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.